Australia is a country filled with natural beauty, but that beauty comes with some pretty harsh conditions. Our variety of climates and extreme weather conditions mean that anything installed here must be built tough. So that's why the team here at Sumec Phono Solar have designed and tested our diamond dual glass panel, and that's going to thrive where others have all failed. Built with a second layer of toughened glass to replace the plastic backsheet. These dual glass panels are cyclone tested, and they're rated for the strongest wind regions, like the Northern Territory. They have a salt mist certification to the highest level to match the vast coastal regions, where over 80% of Australians live. Hailstorms seem to be in the news more and more each year round. So it's important to choose a solar panel that's less likely to end up like this. Okay, so normal hail testing for a solar panel uses a 25mm hailstone. This is shot at the panel at 80 k's an hour. The robust diamond dual glass, this passes the test with a 45mm hailstone. This is shot at 110 k's an hour. That's bigger than a golf ball. The humidity, the desert, the tropics, and the coastline are all suitable areas to install the diamond dual glass panels. They're beautifully tough and they are built to last. So when you're making the choice to go solar, you make the safer choice, the engineer's choice, Sumec Phono Solar.